Today we're going to look at all of the items in Animal Company, starting with the flashlight. It can be used for illuminating dark spaces. Say you want to go into forest, you can just click the button and bam! It's all illuminated, well, a tiny bit. So you just have a little bit of a little view, not too much, cheap price, and yeah. Next up is the crowbar. Crowbar can be used for many things. Now, the main thing this crowbar is used for, which not many people know, is attacking. This crowbar can actually be used to hurt enemies. Oh, for goodness! Alright, next up is the grenade. Just gonna get rid of all the ones we've completed. The grenade. I'm gonna need 2 of these for this. I'm gonna show you. Give me that. Alright. So these grenades. What the hell do you think these do? I think they don't blow up. It's just a fake grenade. Let me eat it. Oh, yeah, so lesson learned, don't eat grenades. Anyways, yeah, they explode when you're out the safe zone. Now, many people like to do guessing games. Now, the time it takes to explode is 6 seconds. Wait, was I counting? Whatever. Alright, I'm gonna grab 2 bags. Actually, 3. I'm gonna put a rocket in there. In 1 bag. Then I'm gonna put a rocket in another bag. So basically, yes, I'm gonna run the Animal Company game show. Which bag does not have a grenade? Well, maybe this one doesn't have a grenade. Yay, I won! Yay! Yeah! Yay! Oh! Right. New code, that one, I don't know what happened. Give me that back. Give me this back. Oh my god. Anyways, next is the rocket. As the name implies. Yeah! Yeah! Probably the same amount it takes for a grenade to explode. But yeah, this is kind of simple. You can also press both buttons at twice. One button at twice. And you just... yeah. They are also ammo for crossbow. Can be used for this crossbow. The most recent thing. You can shoot it. If you shoot out players, it will do a bit of damage. Decent amount. Probably as much as chicken does. But yeah. You kind of just fire it. And for some reason does this. Get out! Next is the iPad. There's not much to say about it. It's basically the watch, but much bigger. And wherever you go, it will tell you where you are. Yay! Skibidi Toilet! I can't wait to watch more Skibidi Toilet. And look at my Skibidi Toilet. Oh, Skibidi Toilet. Anyways, next up is the flashlight. The big one though, the big boy. The big boy. So big one. This one's not like this little tiny twig. Yeah. Oh my god, that's very bright. I wonder what it looks like. Oh my god! Anyways, let's get two of them. You know what? Screw you, anglerfish. Screw you, fish. Screw anglerfish. Screw anglerfish. Screw anglerfish. He's not getting out of this one. He's gonna be so stressed for his life. He has a panic attack, and then, hello, anglerfish. Yeah, he can turn off flashlights. That's why I was running. He looks pissed. Oh, my flashlight. Oh, no, on that back. In the back. Give me it back. Give me it back. Give me it back. I want it back. It's my flashlight. He can't do nothing if I just decide to turn it on. No! Next up, we have the shotgun. Get away, crossbow. Now, yes, you can fire. You can kill. All these seem pretty normal. We got the iPad. We got the crossbow. It's a little launcher, a little kid-friendly launcher. Then we have a flipping pump shotgun. The power of Christ compels you! The power of Christ compels you! Ignore that. Oh. You want this iPad, little Timmy? Go get. And next up is the flare gun. Flare gun. This is what caused the Hisharum. Now they're useless. Or you can shoot them out a crossbow like I do. The gun! Or you can do this. Clean up. The last item on the list. This. Alright, no, get out. Oh yeah! Flashlight! Eat my flashlight! Come on. And burn! Can't forget the grenade launcher! Let's launch it. Oh. Wow, fireworks! Fireworks!